Hi student, welcome back to another Math Olympiad problem. 5 into 2, 5 into t into 5 power t is equal to 200. We are finding the value of t in this question. First, as we noted, x into x is also equal to x square. So now we write 5 into 5, 5 into 2t is equal to 200. This divided by 25. This divided by 25. This cut by this remain 8, and this will be 5 into 2t divided by 5 square is also equal to 25 is equal to 8. Now as we know that a into power m divided by a into power n is equal to a into power m minus n. This is our formula. Now we are applying this. We get 5 into 2t minus 2 is equal to 8. Now we get this value. Use log on both sides. After using log, we get log of 5 into 2t minus 2 is equal to log of 2 into 3. Now log of m into n is equal to n log of m. We use this formula in this equation and we get 2t minus 2 into log of 5 is equal to 3 log of 2. Divide both sides by log of 5. Now this log of 5 cut by this remain 2t minus 2 is equal to 3 log of 2 divided by log of 5. Log of a divided by log of b is equal to log of a b. Now we use this formula in equation. Our equation is 2t minus 2 is equal to 3 log of 2 divided by log of 5. Now we are using this formula and we get the value 2t is equal to 2 plus 3 log of 2 base 5. This is our answer of this mathematical problem. Now we are verifying this. Our question is 5 into t into 5 into t is equal to 200. Now this is our value of 2t. That after using this we get 5 into 2 into 2 plus 3 log of 2 base 5 and this divided by 2 because of this 2 is equal to 200. So this 2 cut by this, 7 5 into 2 plus 3 log of 2 base 5 is equal to 200. Now we using this formula, a into m plus n is equal to n to power m into n to power n. After using this formula, we get the value 5 into 2 into 5 into 3 log of 2 base 5 is equal to 200. Now we are using this formula, n log of m is equal to log of m into n. So this will be 5 square is 25 into 5 log of 2 and into 3 base 5 is equal to 200. So 25 into 5 log of 8 base 5, 2 multiplied by 3 is also 8, is equal to 200. Now we are using this formula, a log of ba is equal to b. After applying this formula, we get 25 into this 8 is equal to 200. 25 multiplied by 8 is 200 is equal to 200. Our left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now our answer is verified. Hope you understand. Thank you for watching video till end. Subscribe for more Olympiad math problem. This is our value of 2.